My Kenmore Elite oven shuts itself off after a few minutes of cooking.
Can you guesstimate how old your Kenmore is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
The Kenmore Model C976000432 was manufactured in 2013.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Not sure how complex the problem is yet.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The top range works fine even after the oven and clock shut down. It beeps and then power is off.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. What do you mean by shuts itself off exactly? Does the display go blank like the display board is dead? Does the display just revert back to showing the time of day? Etc.
The display board flashes the clock at 12 o'clock as if there was a power failure and the oven is shut off.
Okay, perfect. This unfortunately means there is a problem with the display control board itself. The display board is getting overloaded because the logic has been corrupted. This is not something you can just reset, I am sorry to say. The entire display board will need to be replaced to resolve this issue. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
No, I do not want a live call if there is an additional charge. Please proceed. Do you know the cost of a replacement display board?
You requested a refund after receiving an answer. Follow-up questions are over. Good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.